Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, welcome to Meggybees Family TV. In this video, I will be showing you how to create folders or files on your phone. Why is it important? For those of you who use your phone to record videos, to post on your social media, I have been hearing that, oh, my phone is slow, I have to delete things. You don't have to delete many things from your phone. I have made a video before how or what you can buy to save your videos so that you don't need to delete those beautiful memories. Yeah, check that videos. I will put the link up here so that you can check that videos. This video is more like a continuation of that video. So many of us have our phone like this, or most of our content like this on our phone, just like what I have here. Yeah, and then what happened when you want to upload videos? Then you spend time, like which one I want to pick, which one am I going to pick? Pick this one, pick this one. Sometimes you are checking. There's so many things, and your phone is that slow because there's so many things on it. Today, I will teach you how you can create. If you make, for instance, how to do akara, yeah, Nigeria akara. You just create a file, Nigeria akara. You put all those video, you put it there. If you do how to make my mind, create a file, how to make my mind on your phone, everything will be in order. Okay, let me show you how to create files on your phone so that when you are transferring it, you transfer it even with the file. Okay, thank you so much, and let's do this. I will be using 3 phones to show you how to create a folder or an album or a file on your phone so that you have everything organized. Yeah, so why 3 phones? Because all phones are different. Yeah, so with these 3 phones, if you have a new phone, then you can just already have an idea where to search and create your files or your folder or album. Yeah, first of all, I will be using 2 Samsung because these 2 Samsungs are different. The way you create files here, these 2 Samsungs are different, and I will be using also 1 Apple phone to show you. This is your picture or your gallery. You click gallery, and then you will see the option here, picture or album. If you have to click album, you will be in album, and the next thing you do, you will see an icon here, 3 dots. Yeah, you click that. You will see different things: edit, select, sort, create album, create group, and so on. Now we want to create an album. We press create album, and here you see you write the name, maybe akara. You write it there. Let's write akara. You can add location or wherever like this. Okay, and then I will come to this icon here. I will say move, okay, or copy. I will copy. I will now put it here. Okay, now it says copy completed. Now let's go back to the album. I will now go back and press album. You see akara is open, and these are the 2 things that I picked. These other ones here are not in the album because this is another album. This is camera, this is videos in camera, this is WhatsApp videos, or this is WhatsApp image, this is screenshot, and so on. So you can still pick from here, and then you can add it again to your album. So that being said, I hope this one is clear. Now let us see the other Samsung, how you can do that. So the same thing, to the gallery, you have album, and you have some options here. This one is a little bit tricky because if you click these 3 dots like we click in this other phone here, you see here in this phone you don't have the plus sign here. You only have search and this icon. So if you press this here, there is no, it's only select album to show, select all, or edit. So you will not be able to create album by clicking this three icon here. So where you can create album is when you click this plus here, and here it will tell you, it will bring out more options than this other phone here. It will tell you album, create a new album just for you. Then you can just click here and you write the name just like this before, and you create or you cancel. For now, I don't want to create any album. I cancel. Yeah, that is for this two phone. For this other phone, which is Apple, how do you do this? This one is even more simple. You go to photos. Yeah, you click it, and then you will see album. You can select all, but that is not what we want to do. You will see a plus sign up there. You click the plus sign, and then you have the option to do what? New album. You are creating a new album, and you have another option, new folder. You're creating a new folder. Let's start with the album. You click here, album. When you click the icon, this place will open. Then you write whether it's a goosey soup you want to call the album. You write it, and then when you write it, then for instance, let me write a goosey. You see, as you write, the save button will not be gray anymore. You have the option to save it or to cancel it. Yeah, so I don't want to create it, so I'm going to what? Cancel. I'm going to cancel. Now I will go back again. If I want to create a folder, the same thing. I just click, then I create a folder. Okay, so this is what you will do. Like if you keep writing, like I told you, save will come out. You save the name of the profile. You see that? You save the name of the new folder, and then you have everything arranged. So that is it for this video. If you are new to my channel, please, this is not the only thing we do here. Check our videos and see if it is something that you like or someone you know will like, and please share it. And we do have a website whereby you can buy most of the accessory that we use to do our tutorials here. And if you patronize us, that would be beautiful, because it helps us to also help the less privileged at home and to continue to make videos like this and some other helpful video that our community really need. Yeah, so thank you. Check our website, get something for us, give us something. We'll be happy to continue to do videos and buy the equipment that we used to do our videos. Time. My people say, time nine money, oh, time nine money. Yeah, and for those of you always super chatting us, thank you so much. And for those of you who don't know, we do have what? Super Thank on our channel enable. Check the buttons close to the share buttons and all that there, like button, you will see super chat. Nothing is too small. You can super chat us. That will make us to know that, yeah, what we are doing, you love it, you like it, and it will keep helping us or boosting us up to do what we are doing. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you know someone that will need something like this type of tutorial, don't hesitate to share it. Yeah, thank you very much, and see you in our next video. Bye.